Hey you guys, welcome or welcome back to Journeys with Jay. In today's video, I will be showing you all how I remove my gel extensions. As you can see here, they still look really good. They are close to 2 weeks old at this point. I've been using them with the peel off base coat so that I can preserve them for designs, and you know, that was pretty much all. But I'm ready to go ahead and take these off and start to apply a new set. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. In today's video, I will be using the Remove Plus from Model 1s. This is a liquid polish remover and nail cleaner slash nail prep system. I have been using this already. As you can see, this is a brand new bottle. This is the one that I have already been using. It definitely gets great use. I've been truly enjoying using this as it does not dry out my cuticle area, my skin. It's not like just regular acetone that's extremely harsh. It does also have essential oils in this, which aid with the moisturizing of the skin, as well as a really nice scent. You don't have to worry about just smelling strong acetone the entire time soaking your nails off. So let's go ahead and jump into this removal process. The first thing I'm going to do is cut down the length of the nails. And I'm going to cut it down to where my natural nail growth stops, like that. And the extension is mostly exposed at this point, but I'm still going to lightly rough up the surface of the nails, and then we can go ahead and get right into the remover. So the first thing I'm going to do is just lightly rough up the surface of the gel extensions. Doesn't need much, especially since we don't have gel polish on top. Alrighty, so we've lightly buffed up the surface of all of the nails. And take off my ring. Now I'm just gonna go in with some foils that come with the little cotton attached, and we're going to first shake up the Remove Plus very well. It does say to shake before use, and that's to really mix up that acetone and essential oil. I've really been liking this as opposed to just using traditional acetone, because you guys, the way my hands and skin would be so dry, it was ridiculous. I also find that this is a really good prep before I go in with my new nail sets, because it completely just takes away that stripped feeling from your natural nail bed. And that's something that you want to be very mindful of. That's why in most cases, after people go in and remove their gel polish or extensions, they typically like to go in with something very moisturizing and just make sure that they take care of their natural nails. Let's take one of the foils, and then we're just going to put some of this Remove Plus on here. What I'm going to do is take a cotton ball, and we're going to saturate that in the Remove Plus, and then put that inside of the foil, fold that over top, and wrap it up. This is what it should look like when it's complete. Let's go ahead and repeat the same step on the rest of the nails. Now that we have all of the foils on each finger, we're gonna go ahead and allow this to soak for 7 minutes. It does say allow 15 minutes for extensions, so let's go ahead, do 7 minutes, and then we'll come right back. It has been soaking for about 8 minutes. Let's go ahead and remove these foils and see where we are. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start to scrape off some of the residue from the extension. And I'm just using a cuticle pusher. You don't want to put too much pressure down, but you'll see that the product just starts to roll off. You want to make sure that you allow it to soak for a good amount of time. You can definitely do 10 minutes and then lift it off and do this part and then allow it to soak for another 5. But yeah, I'm just lightly scraping the product off the nail like this. And then I'm going to go ahead and put that foil back on there. Let's do the same thing to the rest of the nails. Oh, look at that one. You see this one's coming up really nicely. And now we have the foils back on. We're going to go ahead and let them soak for the last 5 minutes, and we'll come right back. Okay, you guys, this is going to be the final nails. They're all prepped and ready to go for my next nail set. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.